Hey Sue, it's Watson here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. I wanted to give you a video walk around of this beautiful Volvo XC60. Well, isn't this a fantastic vehicle? This was a local trade-in, very nicely cared for. This is in the denim blue metallic, and it's got a beautiful sort of a brown leather interior, which we'll take a look at. This was equipped with the automatic transmission. It's got a 2-liter 4-cylinder, excellent fuel economy, up to 27 miles a gallon. This does have the Volvo Premium package. It's got the 20-inch 5-spoke Tech Black diamond cut alloy wheels. It is equipped with navigation system and a load of other safety features. I'm going to open up the back door here for a sec. We'll take a look at the back. Now it was equipped with full all-weather mats, but you do have a set of regular mats that are brand new and have never been used. So this back door can also be accessed from your remote control. Really nice dual exhaust in the back. Very elegant, sophisticated color, the denim blue metallic. So let's take a look at the interior. All right, now here we are in the interior. Look at this beautiful leather interior. It's really like orthopedically sculpted, really fits well on the body, and it's a great combination with the blue and the brown interior. Very large center display for your navigation and all your tools, safety tools, dual climate control system. And if you look above, an absolutely oversized panoramic roof, which really opens up the car and makes it feel large. What a beautiful vehicle. This is going to look very, very nice in your driveway and be a very safe vehicle for you and your family. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'm Watson, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, 207-510-2284.